Wala lang, naisip ko lang, it's funny because Pinocchio yearns to be human. And today, human are dependent on artificial intelligence. What do you think can person, us, as audience, or you can learn from Pinocchio as being a human? To learn is, why you have to learn to be human today? What is inhumanness or inhumanity that you have to learn from? From Pinocchio's story arc.
Actually, from the story, development of Pinocchio from not knowing how to be human to becoming human at the end. What does it mean to be human? Okay, we all know the story, so it's not like a spoiler, right? Pinocchio turns into a human when he learns to sacrifice himself for his father. Diba? Yes. Giving your life for another person. He says, burn me, Father, so you can get out of this way. Right? So, I think it will remind people na, oh nga, ganun pala magpakatao. Right? Because sometimes we forget that already in the digital world. Tawa-tawa, scroll, mamaya iyak kami na, kaya mamaya tawa na naman tayo. Yeah, so, this story actually is very simple. It's a fairy tale, but it reminds us, ay, oo nga. Kausapin mo yung self mo. Ngayon ko kinakausap yung self ko. Hi, self. Tao ka pa ba? Yeah, so it reminds you na you are not just living for yourself. Your life becomes meaning if you start living also for others. So it's a very simple story, but it gives a very deep meaning. Yeah. And hopefully, it inspires the audience watching, even lalo na yung mga children, kasi they're the future. They're the future leaders. Sana matuto silang maging honest and true. Kasi Pinocchio teaches us about honesty.
And I think it brings back the humanity to everyone. It reminds us to be more humane and to parang give importance to our family, because at the end of the day, it's our family that gives us support, gives us the most love. So this is something that is very important to inculcate to kids nowadays, especially na yun nga, very na sila, parang na-isolate na sila because of the technology. So this is a perfect show. May pagkanon talaga ako. Talagang this is a perfect show for them to watch and to bring them back to the basics of life, which is love and family. Ayun.
Yes, and of course, it also teaches them to be careful kasi si Pinocchio ilang beses na naloko, di ba? So it teaches them to be smart and to know what is true, who is true to you and who is not.
Oo, yun kasama yun sa show, yung huwag ka magpapascam.
Yes. Kasi kasama yun sa digital world, marami na sa scam.
The song of Pinocchio, like what she sang a while ago, everything I do goes wrong. So it's just normal to a person that you make a mistake, but the thing is, how many times you learn from that mistake? I think that one thing that I like with this was the script that they've written. It's really people and even the kids will realize the lesson. Okay.